Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Segway Gokart Pro 2 with the Segway Gokart Pro, and I'm going to show you the important things you need to know regarding the specs. So when we are going to look here, the maximum speed is for Gokart Pro 2 better by 3 kilometers. Then typical range is a tie. I couldn't get to the steering ratio, so it's the Gokart Pro 2. The max slope is better. This is important. You can have up to 26% for Gokart Pro. So that's, in my opinion, like really important if you want to use it for that. So when you're gonna look here, is climbing slope 26%. And here, when you're gonna look here, for the slope here, it's going to be the 15%. So this is important thing. 15.5 typical range, and now also right here same thing, right? So this is also really important. Now when we're gonna go even further, so I just want to show you that you're gonna have like speed modes on both. Charging time is same for both 4 hours. The battery is tied there. And like I got the Gokart Pro 2, the battery management system, like over voltage, under voltage. I couldn't get it for the Gokart Pro. And then motors, when you're gonna look here, you have like better motor for Pro comparing to Pro 2 based off this data. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, I just wanted to make the quick comparison, some specs. Maybe it was like useless. If it was useless, I'm sorry. Didn't mean it to. And have a great day and goodbye.